You don't have a license. I don't want to ever see you driving in Bridgeport again until you get your license straightened out. You understand me? Do you understand me? I do.
You understand him? Yes, you do.
And on top of that, I'm a passenger. But I saw you operating a motor vehicle. I could cite you right now. Do you want to argue this? Okay. Okay, no problem. You want to do that? No problem. You're going to sit there and you're going to get your citation for operating a motor vehicle without a license. Miss, keep your vehicle right there.
Less than 15 minutes after the officer wrote the ticket, the suspect impatiently got out of the car.
Get back in the vehicle. I'm going to tell you one more time. Don't get back out. Now. Unlock the door. I'm going to bust the window. No problem. Thank you.
My baby
Step
is
out.
crying. Like,
come here. Step out. Come on. You want to be disorderly? Let's go. Why? Stop resisting.
Me.
Don't interfere. You're going to go too. 5704. So send me additional units. I got a male resistance. Wrong. Got a right. Get off the vehicle! Get out! Burn! Get out of the vehicle! Get out of now! Get out of the vehicle now!
My baby
out of the vehicle now!
Please
now!
Away from me!
Now!
We didn't do anything!
Get out of the vehicle now!
No!
Get out of the vehicle now!
No!
Forest Central, get me somebody here now! Get the f off of me!
No! Get the hell out of here!
Take off! Drive! Drive! Don't drive! Drive! 57 Forest Central. Vehicle took off. They're heading south on 7. 8 Ford SUV. Stop the vehicle now. Pull to the right, driver. Pull to the right. We're getting stopped right here. There's a trooper in front of me. Driver, get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle now! Get out of the vehicle now! Hands up, push it! Turn around! Get down! Don't move! Put your hands behind your back! Get down! Don't move!
Get down! Pull your hands down!
Put your other hand the other way.
That's my baby. My mom is coming to get my baby. Wait for my mom to come get my baby.
Roll over. Sit up. Stand up. Stop resisting now.
Stop fighting. Don't fight.
All you gotta do is
Just
not
relax.
take forever to relax. Because you couldn't handle it. All because I was giving him a damn citation. Gets out of the vehicle, told him to stay in the vehicle. He wants to sit there and run his mouth, so I told him to get out of the vehicle. Would not get out of the vehicle. Telling her to drive off. So she drives off. Either knock you off, you let my girl go! No! She had nothing to do with it! She drove off! You're done!
Keep it up! You're gonna get tased!
Oh,
Hey, just open the door. I just want to talk to you. I'm sorry.
no, time for talking's done.
I'm sorry.
Just say you're going to jail for fleeing and eluding failure to comply. Also, contact Children's Services. I've got a 5-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 4-month-old also in this vehicle as well. Child endangerment charges since she was driving the vehicle, taken off. Go. Yep, there we go. Got it. Done? Who's got the mace? Hey, knock it off. You've been told to.
So what? I don't care. Tase me. I already got a tase in Bel Air. I don't give a f***, bro.
Is that your kid out there?
Why does it matter?
Because your f***ing kids watch you be a
You.
you're a shit.
You ace. You dirtbag.
The female driver was charged with possession of an open container of alcohol in a vehicle, child endangerment, 2 counts of failing to comply with police orders, and obstructing justice, with bond set at a total of $22,135. The male suspect was charged with resisting arrest, obstructing law enforcement, and committing felony assault on a law enforcement officer. Under the law, both remain presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in court.
What's going on, man? What? Roll the window down.
Why?
You're being pulled over.
For what? I'm sitting right here.
Take your hand off the shifter. Making it taking off southbound Fairview.
Tire.
It's smoking. It's gonna fail.
He's running southbound.
You're gonna get bit! Southbound, he's now westbound in the alley south of Decatur. You're gonna get dog bit! Fucking stop! You're gonna get dog bit! Fucking put the gun down! Make sure, get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground. Don't move. We'll figure it out. Don't move. You're going to get tased. Hands behind your back.
What?
Well, one, you ran from the police. I'm secure in the backyard. You on you?
What the f you mean I got anything on me?
Why you run? What you got down here? Knee brace?
That's my f***ing leg.
I don't know that. All right, stand up.
No.
Okay.
The only thing what you talking about?
Why you running?
Because what the f y'all pull up on me like that for somebody to stop?
Your window tint.
I was on this side of the street. I wasn't
Doesn't matter.
driving.
Doesn't matter.
I don't have a dark window. What the f you talking about?
Why you ran? That's
Why?
Oh, these gates are all locked.
What's that for?
I just told you.
Oh, that don't work like that.
See a gate somewhere. It's not locked.
Taking 28, I got a
Don't
29.
I go over the gate right here.
It's locked. It's the issue.
But what the f not here? That's some bullshit. What's that about?
Why you running?
What the f you mean why I'm running? Cause why did y'all pull up on me and dude reach for a f gun and shit? Me, I'm sitting on the side of the road. Y'all had no reason to do that.
So we did.
No, the f you didn't.
Well, that's your opinion.
That ain't my opinion. It's fact. It's called the rule of fucking law. What the f you mean? That's called tyranny. You do shit like that. You ain't fucking no dumb motherfucker. You gotta be fucked up.
I don't have a cage anyway, do you?
I don't.
Do you have a cage
So
or
what the
no?
f is all this about?
You ran from the police.
No, what the f you do? You and your officer pulled up on me.
Yeah.
One y'all act like y'all pull a gun, talking about, brother, get out the car. Let's just stop.
You know why?
I was
Your
on
hand
this.
was on the
No. Who's the
Stop.
supervisor? You the supervisor? Can I speak with the supervisor? I want the
At
supervisor.
jail, you can talk to whoever you want.
I want to speak with the supervisor. Hey, since I'm going to your county, I just want to be very clear.
for the city.
Well, not that, I'm sorry. Let me reiterate. The city jail that I'm going to.
No.
It's county jail. The city doesn't have a jail.
Decatur City? County,
don't have a
city
jail.
We're in the city of Decatur, but the jail that I'm going to.
It's Macon County Jail.
Okay, well, let me be very specific about what's going on here. They pulled up
You
on
ran,
me.
you're getting arrested.
Hold on.
My lights were on and I told you to roll your window down.
It doesn't matter. You can't pull up on someone sitting on the side of the road and say, roll your window down.
then you'll have
This
a
is
good-
a stop.
Hey, then you'll have a
That's
great...
not how it works.
Then you'll have a great argument. If we can hold this area down, we'll article search it back. If you
Yeah,
toss
they
something,
got
the dog will
aisle,
find it.
Man, I ain't trying to hear this. Y'all both.
Okay, then quit talking.
I ain't got to quit talking. This called a fucking America. It's called the amendment. I have an amendment of a right to what you talking about. Quit talking. You quit talking, mother.
What's all this money for?
What you mean was all this money for? Don't what crazy ass question. What the f you in my pockets for?
Oh, dope. That's why. You didn't toss anything, right?
What y'all talking?
I just want to make sure that you didn't toss something that
Toss what?
that a kid could hurt themselves with.
Man, what the f come on, man.
I'm gonna ask. You don't have to answer.
That's retarded as fuck.
Alright. I'm gonna go back there and get the dog real quick and we'll article search everywhere he went. As soon as we go out to make contact, his hand's on the shifter, he throws it in there and takes off. Well, he only has one leg, so that's why. He wasn't very fast. Yeah, you know.
One leg.
Yeah, and he stops and he goes up, big black cell phone. I'm like, put it down, and he dropped it. He only has one leg. He has a prosthetic. I'm gonna go get the dog. Really? Impressive. Off in here. The boys. Yes. We're good. All we gotta do now is tow it and roll.
The suspect faces charges that include obstructing law enforcement, driving on a suspended license, a second count of aggravated fleeing and eluding, exceeding the speed limit by more than 21 miles per hour, manufacturing or trafficking 10 to 30 grams of marijuana, and manufacturing or trafficking more than 15 grams of cocaine. It bears emphasizing, under the law, he is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. What many people don't realize is that when a parent flees or confronts police with a child in the car, it's no longer just a traffic issue. In most jurisdictions, that conduct is treated as felony child endangerment. A routine traffic stop becomes a reckless gamble with a child's safety. By definition, it places a minor directly in harm's way. So I don't just see a driver breaking the law. I see a parent dragging their child into danger. Afterward, suspects often reach for excuses. I didn't want my kid to see me get arrested, or I panicked. But those explanations don't hold water. Worse, this kind of behavior sets off a chain reaction. Judges and prosecutors are especially tough on cases involving minors, and Child Protective Services may step in immediately. What could have ended with a citation turns into a full-scale review of custody and family stability. To dodge a moment of embarrassment or punishment, parents often end up paying a price far heavier than what they were trying to avoid. Bottom line, when a child is in the car and a parent chooses to run or resist, They betray not just the law but the very child they're supposed to protect.